What's going on, you guys? Welcome back to another video. We back. We out here at the lot somewhere in New Mexico. As you can see, guys, we purchased a beautiful ride right here. It's gonna help us out with the videos and all that. So hopefully we can get back in it, guys. We're sorry we're lacking, but we out here. We about to make some content and practice. Yeah, you already know what it is. We out. I hate this bike because you gotta do traction control off and you gotta take ABS off, unlike other dirt bikes or actual dirt bikes where you just turn it on and go ahead into wheelies. Not mine, but hey, that's the benefit of having a street legal. Let's go. We got Christian vlogs out here. Okay, my boy Christian out here practicing. Woo! It's just us out here, but it's all good. We make it happen. Oh my God. What are you doing? What you got? What you got? Gotta slow it down there, buddy. You gotta slow it down. What happened?
I get too excited, bro.
Just calm it down. Just calm it down. There you go. Okay. You and him, Y'all quit? Y'all se cuidaron? Damn, look at all that money right there. Woo.
A
todo el mundo. We out here.
Hey man, you have a YouTube channel?
Subscribe to the channel. You're gonna put it spinning right here, right? Yeah, you.
Yeah, subscribe to me.
How much that goes for?
Man, I paid $50 for that thing.
What?
Yeah.
Get out of here.
I promise you, man. Thank God.
How?
Frame gear control module on it, $100, that was it.
Where you get that deal, man? I need one.
I do them all the time, man. That's what I do.
For real? That shit looks fun.
For my nephew to learn how, for him to learn how to ride on.
Yeah? He loves it?
Oh yeah, he loves it. I got a little 110 too that stunt with him.
Okay. I saw you pulling them up. I saw it. It looked nice. Follow me. I'm gonna make a little enduro challenge. It's not gonna be fast. There's nothing. I'm gonna just do crazy stuff. Just for a little bit. Let's see. Let's make this little fun out here. Woo. Woo. Hey, it is a dirt bike. Take this bike anywhere. I love it. I'm not doing that. Baby steps, baby steps. I love going off-road with this bike. It's fun. Can't really do too much on these bikes, guys. There's not really a lot of stuff around here. She's smooth with it. She's smooth with it. That's too easy for you. I think that's a 450. I don't know quads, guys, but that shit look nice. Okay. That's why I want a quad, because you could just wheelie like that, like nothing. I'll get there. I'll get there. We riding or we sitting? What's going on? What's going on right here? We outside or what? We inside? What's up? Parecen que están adentro aquí. Okay, okay. Oh, he got a swerve on him. He's swerving on him and everything. Okay. I love KTM, man. That shit a beast. Oh. Okay, okay. Smooth with it. Oh. She got camera shy. You got shy. Oh shit. Get up. Okay. Okay, let me try one. You brake? Okay, I see you. I wish I had a KTM 450. Hey, you want to trade? You want to trade? Let's go. That looks nice. I like the 450s, man. That shit look powerful. I think if I put exhaust on this bike, I'll definitely get a lot more kick out of it. Alright guys, let's do an actual race. 2020 KTM 690 versus 2020, oh shit, I forgot what year this is. DRZ 400. Cheater. I think I won that one fair and square, guys. I think I won that one fair and square. Let's do a burnout. Let's see. Yep. There goes. You ready?
Bro, you broke your camera, man. Yo, close out the video.
Yeah.
This is CVP Junior.
Es Mr2Moto. Mira, aquí lo va a poner. Aquí, mira, redondo.
CVP Junior, whatever.
Super V Junior IV.
That's it, right? That's on YouTube?
No, it's Mr2Moto. Subscribe. Christian Vlogs out here mechanicking. Hit up his DM, you know what I'm saying?
You won't see the video in the next video because by the time he sends me this clip.
Oh no, damn, but I just burnt my foot like 3 times, y'all. Like, this it burned. That shit hurt. Tengo un challenge para ustedes. Mira, I play this with my girl all the time. It's funny. El más que se queda atrás, gana. The one that's farthest back is winning. So like this, you know, you gotta go slow. Like whoever goes the slowest on the back. I know, nigga, I'm in shorts. Let's go. You gotta go forward. Ah, este cabrón está ganando. This nigga focus, look at him. Dale. Ah, you lost. Ah. Damn, this nigga fucking.
That's easy, but if you stay on the same place.
No, I know. No, el punto es you gotta go forward, but you gotta, the furthest one back is winning, so he won. You get it?
I didn't know that.
Yeah, so you.
You guys went forward.
No, I tried to stop slower, but it's like that. El punto es más que el que se quede más atrás gana. No, you can't touch the floor, but it was like how he was doing. He was staying in the back, so he was winning. Man, this nigga nice. Ah, I can't win, I can't lose. Estoy parado seco, era. Ay. Hey, let's go. Ah. Hey, he's nice, he's nice. Ah! Huh? That's my brakes.
Not like that. This cable.
I don't even know. That's a good question. I have no idea. I have no idea. This is the gas tank though.
That's scary.
Yeah. I don't 12 o'clock though, so it's all good. Not yet.
You want to talk about this?
Abimpa.
It's only that hand? Only that
Your hand or your face?
Está bien.
Pero y la motora, ¿qué pasó?
¿Ese es gasolina?
Ese es gasolina, sí.
Trata de prenderla.
No, pero por lo menos no, nothing broke, right?
No, ese es gasolina.
We got a wipe out here and we got Christian Vlogs out here hustling. This is the behind the scenes of the Christian Vlogs thumbnail. And we out.